Hey everyone, welcome back. You might remember Auto Bros from our earlier video, where we explored their premium leather care kit. If you haven't checked that out yet, do give it a watch. Today, we've got something new from Auto Bros, their complete car care kit, perfect for keeping your car looking fresh, shiny, and well protected. Let's open it up and see what's inside. First up, we have the new car freshener spray, a quick way to bring back that fresh out of the showroom feel. Next, the car wash shampoo, gentle on paint, tough on dirt. Then, the scratch and swirl remover, great for tackling those light marks and restoring a smooth finish. We've got the Carnauba wax polish cream, for a deep, glossy shine with lasting protection. The dashboard and leather cream, nourishes, protects, and keeps interiors looking rich and supple. Has included high-quality microfiber towels and applicators, so you've got everything you need, right out of the box. This kit is designed to be an all-in-one solution for both exterior and interior car care. Whether you're a weekend detailer or just want to keep your car in top shape, I'll leave the link below, so you can check it out for yourself. Until next time, keep your ride looking its best, and do leave a like and comment for us.